This was the most serious remark, and when Mr. Makagula started to mention this, he spoke the most, and NOMSAS added a little bit to it. They immediately stated that there's threats against their lives because of this. There's a very serious investigation that they're doing into a murder case. This murder took place on 15 April 2022 in the Brakpan area, and it's being investigated by IPIT already, where it traced back to a body was found in a dam. So initially it was said to us it's Nigel Merivale Dam in the Brakpan area. Don't know the exact dam, but this was traced back to the same group of officers who was there together with civilians. It's not one of the civilians yet mentioned. So there was civilians on the site as well. And what was alleged is that they tortured this person on the scene, where they used a method called tubing, which is a piece of rubber that you pulled over a person's face and you suffocate the person. So they tubed this person, and at a stage, the actual the person who he has actually turned state witness. He submitted a 204 application and statement as well. He said that the person who they were torturing and in questioning or interrogating, he actually said to them, but he's got money in the house, 500,000 rand, he'll pay that if he could lose him. And then the next moment, this person, they killed him. And from the scene, they called Brigadier Makwanasi after it took place now. And Brigadier Makwanasi arrived on the scene in a white Golf. And he then proceeded to direct them how to clean the scene. And they placed the body of the victim on this civilian person's bakkie. And they instructed him to go dump the body, which he then duly did. And then when it came out, and IPIT's investigating it, this person who did it, he turned state witness, according to him. He contacted me about 2 weeks ago again to say that he is a state witness. He gave a Section 204 statement to turn state witness, and he's committing everything. And so it is a confirmed case of where it happened, where Makagula was carrying the docket, and this stems from April 2022 already. And when we were informed of this, it was March 2023. And that's one of the reasons as well why we believe that a murder case that's already running for a year investigation, with witnesses, with a body, with everything already there, we thought it's imminent that he would be arrested extremely quickly thereafter.